So in today's cosplay tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to use horsehair braid to give your hem a bit more stiffness. Horsehair braid is not actually made out of horsehair, it's a woven plastic material. It can be a variety of different colors, different widths, and some of them even have a thread running along the top that you can use to gather one side of it to make it easier to go around a curve. Before we attach the horsehair braid to the garment, we're going to take a piece of bias tape or twill tape or even a tightly woven ribbon like grosgrain ribbon, and putting right sides together, we're going to sew that into place where the horsehair braid is going to start. This is because when the horsehair braid is cut, it can unravel a little bit, and these little plastic bits can be a bit uncomfortable. So the bias tape will help to cover that. Place the end of the horsehair braid in the center of the bias tape, and we can start sewing it into place along the hem. Finish with the other end of the horsehair braid in the middle of the bias tape as well. Ideally, I would have a bit more overlap between the two, but that's what I have on this one. Now we're going to trim away the excess of the bias tape, and we're going to fold that over, and now we can fold the horsehair braid into place. Sew the horsehair braid along the top to have a finished hem. If you want the stitching to not show, you can line your skirt and then hand sew the horsehair braid to the lining without sewing through the outer fabric. Alternatively, you can cover up the stitching line with some trim. I hope you found this video helpful. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching!